Wow, is this Dragon Airport? It's huge. I need to check the departure board. Where is my flight? Found it. Flight 702 to the Sky Kingdom. It's at counter D. All right, let's go to the check-in counter. There's no line. Lucky me. Hello. Welcome to Dragon Airlines. Hi, I'd like to check in, please. Certainly. May I have your passport and ticket? Yes, here you go. Thank you. Traveling to the Sky Kingdom, correct? Yes, that's right. Is the royal capital your final destination? Yes, I plan to take a Griffin bus from there. Sounds lovely. Do you have any bags to check? Yes, just this suitcase. Could you place it on the scale, please? I hope it's not too heavy. It's exactly 20 kilograms. Perfect. That's a relief. Next, I need to ask some security questions about hazardous materials. Do you have any flammable potions in your bag? No, I don't. Are there any dragon eggs or magical creatures inside? Of course not. Nothing like that. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hey, wait a minute.
Huh. Is there a problem? Dorn, what's wrong?
The conveyor belt is acting up.
I'm fixing it. Don't worry. Whoa, you scared me.
Fix it. You didn't modify it with weird parts again, did you?
I just tried to speed it up. Please, don't interrupt our work.
Sorry, miss. We'll get it moving shortly.
It's okay. I'm not in a hurry. So let's discuss your seat preference. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. I want to see the view. Understood. Is a seat over the wing okay? Yes, that would be fine. Oops, the bag is moving now. Whoa, my suitcase.
Hey, fix it. That's too fast.
Sorry about that. Good grief. Rest assured, your bag will be loaded safely. Ha, this airport is never boring. Here you are. This is your boarding pass. Thank you very much. Your boarding gate is gate 12. When is the boarding time? It starts at 10:30. Please be careful not to be late. Understood. I still have some time.
See you at security check, miss.
Have a nice trip. Thanks. I'm off. Have a wonderful flight. Now, the adventure begins. First, I need to find the gate. Now, let's review today's lesson.
I'll help too. Learn it well.
The first key phrase is, I'd like to check in, please. This is the first thing you say when you get to the counter.
Correct. I'd like to is a very polite expression.
Next is the phrase for when you want to check your bags.
It's cool if you can say it before being asked.
Let's say it in English. I have one suitcase to check. Or, can I check this bag? Is also okay.
Carry-on luggage is called carry-on. Don't mistake it.
Exactly. Next is how to choose your seat.
Window seat for the view. Aisle seat for easy toilet access.
How do you say window seat, please, in English? The answer is window seat, please. Simple, isn't it?
For aisle seat, it's aisle seat, please. You don't pronounce the S.
Dorn, you know your stuff. That's wonderful.
Well, I don't work at the airport for nothing.
Finally, checking the boarding time. When asking when does boarding start,
When is the boarding time? Works just fine.
that's all for today's lesson. Let's learn together next time.